To transfer money using the Capitec app, start by launching the app on your device and ensuring it is updated to the latest version. Next, tap on the Pay Beneficiary tile on the sign-in page and enter your account using your login credentials or preset biometrics. This will take you to a list of your recent beneficiaries, from which you can select the one you want to transfer money to. Alternatively, you can tap the Add Beneficiary icon in the top right corner and follow the screen prompts to add a new recipient. Once the beneficiary field has been filled, enter the account name, banking institution, and statement description in the provided fields. Select the notification mode for the transfer and hit Add to proceed. Double-check the transaction details on the pop-up window and tap Confirm. Finally, authenticate the transaction with your PIN or biometrics to complete the transfer. The process is straightforward and easy to follow, allowing you to quickly and efficiently transfer money using the Capitec app.